YouTube and welcome to the show. We're back here at Rampart for another sketchy time. We'll wait for Ryan and we'll get on with it.
That's fucking crazy. You alright?
Yeah. Ryan just hit me.
Fuck.
Not prepared for this one.
Not at all.
It's that time of year, bud.
Huh?
It's that time of year.
I know. I wish I had my fucking axe.
Damn trees got in the way. Rampart's always sketchy. Always sketchy.
This is a new surprise for us.
Yeah, we haven't come across this yet. This is the earliest we've been here though, right? I don't know. Think we're gonna be successful? Ugh. Sorry, little tree. It's only gonna be a second. You'll be okay.
Ha! Looks even more solid.
It's moving.
Is it going?
Probably one more good one. Yep. Hold up. I need you up on that log. Let's cut out on that. Damn trees. That's one of four. I can't breathe. Come on, little four-wheeler. Come on. That's a good four-wheeler.
No, yeah, that for sure, yeah.
Here, hold on. Ready?
1,
2, 3. Can we rotate it?
I think that's the good side, to be honest with you.
Alright.
I'll get over this log on the other side.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
That's clear.
2 of 4. Come on, little four-wheeler. One, 2, 3.
Well, should we do that end up here? Or just push it over to that side? Kind of downhill, right? Go to you?
Yep. Just a stump here. Mr. Muscles over here. One, 2, 3.
All right. Get in there.
That's 3.
Last one. Maybe wrap it around that tree and push it or pull it down.
Yeah, I'd fuck your winch line.
Yeah, it would. Alright, so let's push it toward me. And then maybe we can drop it and I can get past it and pull it up.
Yeah, pull the bottom end up.
Oh shit.
Wah, wah, wah.
Yeah.
Live on, tree. Number 4.
Or no more.
Until 5 yards up the road. Or trail, rather.
Little too much yeah. Yeah, a little too much yeah.
Looks like we found number 5. This one looks bigger and a lot heavier. Instead of destroying the trail, going around this, we're gonna move it because this ain't alright. This ain't okay in my book. We got number 6 over here. This one should be pretty easy. Not too bad. Let's pull this end over. Shame on the people that go around this and create their own trail. Well, we mostly got number 5. She heavy. She real heavy. Should be able to get through here though. And then number 6. Well, number 6 stumped us.
Well, real damn close.
Real close, but she's a little too long down over there. So she's still on the trail.
No chainsaw.
Yeah, if we had a chainsaw, then we'd be solid, but with just our hands and a winch, it ain't happening. Not today. We're gonna turn around like the responsible thing to do. Until next time.
Stay the trail.